Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. By a lot of requests from my subscribers, today I'm making another cooking challenge of a very famous French dish called cassoulet.
Cassoulet.
After I started watching this show on HBO Max called Julia, I was inspired to cook more Julia Child's recipes. I'm making some adjustments to original recipes to make them more approachable for beginner cooks. So what is cassoulet? Cassoulet is a French casserole dish of white beans slow cooked in a variety of meats. This dish has an amazing flavor of herbs and normally required multiple hours of slow cooking time. So today I will share with you a more simplified recipe of cassoulet which you can make in about 40 to 50 minutes and make it out of widely available ingredients. It is a very easy recipe which I will make in Instant Pot and Dutch oven side by side to compare simplicity of cooking, taste and preparation time. It is great dinner or a party dish. So by the end of this video you'll learn how to make this amazing cassoulet in the Instant Pot and Dutch oven. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Alright, step number 1. Let's start by cutting carrots, chopping onions and mincing garlic. Now cut bacon into 1-inch pieces. Let's start with Instant Pot. Turn on saute mode and fry bacon for 5 to 6 minutes. Remember to stir in the process. Cook until crispy. Pro tip: always put bacon on the cold pan and cook on medium-low. This way bacon will crisp evenly and not burn. When bacon is ready, take it out with a slotted spoon, leave all the bacon grease inside the pan. We will use it to cook other ingredients. Now season chicken with salt and pepper and fry starting with the skin side down on saute mode until golden brown on both sides. You don't need to cook chicken through. Don't overcrowd and cook it in several batches. Then take out the chicken and sear Italian sausage until golden brown on all sides. Before cooking sausage, make a few cuts with a knife to prevent it from bursting when frying. When seared on all sides, take it out from the pan. Keep saute mode on. Add some oil and cook onions and carrots. After onions are translucent and garlic, cook for 1 minute and then add tomato paste and cook for another minute. Turn off saute mode. Dutch oven. With Dutch oven, process is identical. Overall, for the frying, my preference goes to Dutch oven. Instant Pot does the job, but Dutch oven makes skin crispier and nothing sticks to the pan. Let's see if it will make any impact on the taste of this dish. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly cooking inspirations. Also, like, share and comment. It will help a lot to support my channel. Step number 2. Pro tip: I recommend draining and rinsing canned beans to reduce the amount of sodium and starch. I added Sauvignon Blanc, but you can also substitute it with white or red wine of your choice. As Julia said, close the lid and set the pressure cooker for 20 minutes on manual high pressure and wait for natural pressure release. Dutch oven. Process is the same. Add all ingredients in the Dutch oven except breadcrumbs and bring it to the simmer. Now lower the temperature, cover it with a lid and simmer for another 25 minutes or until chicken is cooked through to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So overall, cooking this dish in Instant Pot and Dutch oven takes about the same amount of time. Advantage of Instant Pot is that you can turn it on and leave the house. Please never do it with the oven. Step number 3. Now the final step. Instant Pot. Move the cassoulet to the casserole dish. Mix store-bought breadcrumbs with some parsley and a little bit of oil and sprinkle evenly on top of the casserole. Turn on the oven to broil setting 450 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 5 to 10 minutes or until the top browns and looks crispy. Be careful not to overdo it. By the way, if you want to make your own breadcrumbs, it's very simple. Grind down bread in the food processor to desired size. Bake breadcrumbs on the baking sheet for about 7 to 8 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in the process until toasted and dry. Dutch oven. With Dutch oven, process is identical, except you don't need to move the dish to another vessel. Broil directly in the Dutch oven. So with Dutch oven, one less dish to clean. And finally, tasting.
Dutch oven and Instant Pot versions here.
During blind tasting process, I had multiple family members to taste both options. Everyone was impressed with the art of French cooking, the amazing flavor and taste of this dish. However, both Instant Pot and Dutch oven versions of this dish were equally good. Conclusion. For this particular recipe, both cooking methods are great and take the same amount of time. Use the one you personally prefer. You can serve this dish with French baguette and green salad. If you like this recipe, check out my other cooking challenges. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you for watching and bon appetit!